dove vieni? I'm from Italy.
More loud, because we have masks, so you must.
Sorry. Possiamo usare il microfono? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I use the microphone now because
I am Zeynep.
they don't.
I am from Turkey. I am from Turkish. Another secondary school and 7th grade student.
Non ci arriva, come così?
Innanzitutto, se voi non parlate italiano,
Allora, Giovanni, spostati. Così l'italiano non sta vicino all'italiano.
questa cosa che state... Una domanda, dov'è? Perché state seduti?
No, lo sto giocando io.
Ma se state qua dovete giocare, non è che...
Proprio non ho...
Guarda, non fa niente, Anna, lascia perdere.
Vai. You can repeat, please.
I am Zeynep. I am from Turkey. I am from Turkish. I live in Anamur. I 7th grade student. Anamur secondary school.
I'm Vincenzo, I'm 14 years old and I'm...
Bir daha atabilse.
I am 13 years old, I am from Turkey.
Excuse me, I don't hear. If I don't hear, I don't remember the name. I don't remember the name of my friend. And this is a problem because at the end of the play, if I don't remember, I pay penalty. Okay?
My name is Yiğit, I am 13 years old, I am from Turkey.
Loudly, more loudly.
Gitmedi de ya.
I'm Thomas, I'm 14 years old and I'm from Greece.
Okay.
I'm Katrina from Lithuania and I'm 15 years old.
I'm Vlad, I'm 14 years old and I'm from Romania.
Tarık Mengüç müsün? Evet. Hocam işte.
Fotografia.
I am from Turkey.
Vlad, 14 years old.
Sorry, what's your name?
What's your name?
Who are you?
My name is Emilia. I'm from Lithuania and I'm 13 years old.
I'm Alessandro, I'm 12 years old, I'm from Italy.
Thomas'tı. Lütfen beni değil Thomas.
Armando.
So, I'm Armandas, I'm 15 and I'm from Lithuania.
Okay, nice. Without mask. Better.
I'm Nives, I'm 14 years old and I'm from Italy.
Dayı kime atmıyorsun?
I'm Ikra, I'm 13 years old, I'm from Turkey.
Bacini sistemate caldi.
Sicuramente questo. Sicuramente il
Greetings. Today I'm going to talk about storyboard depth. First, we must understand what's storyboard depth. Storyboard depth is a digital platform. We can use it to create comics, posters, projects, small presentations. The choice is up to you. There is a free version of it, although more professional versions can be bought. How can I find storyboard depth? It's very easy. Type storyboard depth in your search bar, Google search bar, or the other platform you use. Then you'll see a link, storyboard depth. Click on it and you'll be taken to this page. It's the home page of storyboard. What are the main parts of this home page? We have these two buttons, create a storyboard, which allow us to create a storyboard. We have My Storyboards, which takes us to the page in which every storyboard we created is stored. We have Register, which allows us to create an account, and Login, which allows us to use an account that already exists. How do you create an account? It's very simple. You can either enter the details manually or use another platform, Google, Microsoft, Facebook, you choose. How do you create a storyboard? First, you must click Create a storyboard in the home page. Then you'll be brought to this page. So, what are the main parts? These squares are called cells. These are the areas in which you place every element of your storyboard. This button is used to save your progress and exit the project. But how can I find these elements? I talk about characters, items, speech bubbles. So, you have to select a specific category, a specific group, for example, scenes, town scenes, school characters, adults, etc. Then you drag the desired element to this area and release. How do I modify the cells? Look, in the right part of your screen you can see a series of buttons. Layout, which allows us to change the position of the cells, the way they are placed. Add delete cells, which allows us to create or to delete cell. Move cells, which allows us to move cells. Copy cells allows us to copy a certain cell by dragging it on another one. We have this button, it's used to adjust the zoom settings. Sometimes you zoom in a little too much or you zoom out a little too much. Okay. Advanced, which allows us to use some advanced settings, adding grid lines to every cell, etc. And then the undo and the redo buttons. I'll give an example. I made an apple. It's in my cell, and I deleted it by accident. What do? Do I have to take the apple again, drag it, and do everything again? No. I can simply click undo, and the apple will appear. It basically deletes an action you just did. But what if I undid something by accident? It's not a problem. You can click redo. How do I modify the elements? Is there a way to do it? Yes, you can modify the elements. First, select the element you want to change it. Then you'll see in the right part of your screen these buttons. You can use them to change your element. But if you want to change other aspects of your element, a character, an item, etc., you can click Edit Pose. You'll see Edit Pose for characters and image options for the items. Can I save my storyboard on my PC? Yes, you can. Click Save and Exit, there. Then you'll see this page. Click on Download and choose the way you want to save your project.
Now our students make the rules of these young people.
Anna is going to school. These delinquents bully her every day.
Hello guys, how are you? I'm fatty.
Wow, you really need a diet.
What do you mean? Oh, so you're deaf too?
Let's leave this loser alone.
They are so mean. Why? What did I do to deserve this?
She starts walking to the class. What's going to happen?
They threw everything to the ground, again. Look, it's doing. What?
The bell starts ringing.
Hey, the bell's ringing. Let's go.
At the lunchroom,
Hey, who gave you the permission to sit there? Nobody. I just want to eat.
and that's why you're going to get punished.
What a baby.
She doesn't deserve this food. It's mine now.
I can't handle this anymore. What should I do? Hey, Luisa, look. Why is Anna so sad? I don't know. I'm going to talk to her. Hey, Anna, why are you crying? What's happening? Nothing. There's no need to worry. I don't believe you. Something must have happened. You have juice on your clothes. Hey, what's going on? Come on, let's talk about it. What's the problem? I don't want to talk about it. I'm fine, seriously. You can't lie to us. We're here to help you. A group of people constantly bullies me. I can't stand them anymore. Who are you talking about? Davide, Maria and Joanna. Okay, don't worry. We will help you. We know what to do. Come with me. Lucia is a really brave girl. She will help you become your enemy's friend. Hello, Anna. I know what you're going through. I'm here to help you. Follow me.
What's happening?
Bullies are the weak ones. Come here. We were very dumb. Forgive us.
Thank you very much.
The realization of this digital cartoon is totally a problem of this young boy. He is very smart, and I involved him in this because I believe in his capacity.